I'm here in the studio today with Niamh Wimperis, and who is an embroiderer. And we are so thrilled that she has agreed to do a retreat for Justhands-on.tv. Not only that, but she has designed a piece of work especially for us. So Niamh, tell me about this lovely piece of work.
Absolutely. So this sampler is going to run you through really important key stitches, and it is based on the bedspread behind us that I made during my time on the Victorian House of Arts and Crafts, which was a BBC Two show, a living history show. So I lived as a Victorian for a month.
So no mobile phones?
No mobile phones, no.
Well, that must have been a bit of a shock.
It was, but it was really lovely to kind of immerse ourselves into the arts and crafts movement, and it sort of really dictated where my work has gone. And so this piece that we're going to be stitching on the retreat is very heavily based on the bedspread.
And the bedspread too has a lot of symbolic meaning to it.
Yes.
They love that, didn't they? Symbolism.
Yes, yeah, exactly. So the flowers all have a meaning, the fruits have meaning, even the sort of gold circle and the blue square in it. It's all very symbolic. So they were huge on their flower language. So each of the flowers have been chosen for their meanings, and it's actually a run through the seasons. So it goes from spring to summer to autumn to winter, stitching various flowers that would be blooming during those times.
That's lovely. And it comes pre-printed. We're going to give them this pre-printed.
Yes.
You've designed for them.
Yeah, pre-printed, no tracing, none of that. It's nice and easy.
So straight to the stitching,
Yes.
my kind of retreat. And is it suitable for beginners?
Oh, absolutely. Completely suitable for beginners. I am a self-taught embroiderer. So I've been doing it for 7 years and picked it up just as something to do on lunch breaks, really. So I am well aware of what it's like to kind of start at the beginning, as it were. So this is definitely suitable for beginners.
Well, I'm really looking forward to the weekend with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.